Alright, RC addicts, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got new addition to the garage, the Team Associated DR10 110 scale 2-wheel drive electric on-road drag race kit. It's a first for the channel, a few firsts for the channel actually. It's the first Team Associated vehicle for the channel, it's the first drag car for the channel, and it's the first kit build for the channel. So 3-in-1 trifecta. So what do we got here? Let's take a look at the box. See, now this one does not come with a body, does not come with tires, does not come with electronics. You have to build it from scratch. It's got your LCG chassis in there, a water resistant receiver box, wheels, roll bars, comes with diff fluid, all that stuff. So we'll open it up and see what all's inside here. Take a look, just checking out the outside of the box. Kind of tells you what's all included. You got your wheelie bar, aluminum shocks, big bore shocks. Okay, so I haven't opened this box yet. As you can see, it's the kit. I haven't opened it yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Oh, here's the bottom. And that's what it's going to look like when it's done. Minus electronics. Don't have those yet. So let's go ahead and get that seal open. Oh, look at that. RC goodness. RC goodness. That's what you see when you first open the box. You got one bag of parts. What else? And another bag with tools, body clips, body pins, decals, and your instruction booklet. So let's go ahead and dive into this instruction booklet, or this bag that's containing the instruction booklet. Go ahead and empty that out. Let's put this guy to the side for now. So yeah, we've got some tools here, some body pins, some spacers, Allen key, you know, your cross wrench, all that good stuff in this bag. Then you've got your decals, your Team Associated decals, and they are, it's good to see that they are cut out, so you just got to peel and stick. Okay, set that to the side here. Associated Electronics since 1985. Okay, so this, I guess, is just a little advertising booklet. Gives you different products Team Associated has to offer. I was thinking about getting this little Nano Sport hockey thing for Christmas, but never did get it. Different parts, upgrade parts, things like that. And here we are, the DR10 manual and catalog. If you need to contact, there's their address, phone number, email, website, all that good stuff. And you can catch them on all their social media platforms right there. Okay, so let's quickly flip through the manual, see what's going on. There's alright, so it tells you what hardware it comes with and instructions starting with step 1, bag 1. We're going to open that and see where step 1, bag 1 is. We're not going to build this here just yet, but we're going to take a look inside that bag to see what's in there. So, alright, it tells you step by step, bag by bag. It's pretty detailed. Tells you about your diff building, putting your oil or grease in your diffs, whatever you choose to use in there. All your bits, pieces. Step by step. I'm anticipating this is probably going to take about, I don't know, 2-3 hours straight if I do it all the way through. So that's your instruction booklet, detailed step by step, which I like to see. So hopefully this is going to come in really handy. Okay, so we're going to open up the bag here and see what we've got. So we got bags within bags. So, like I was mentioning before, it tells you what bag to start with, bag 1, bag 2. They're all numbered, so let me get them out here. Get them in order. So we got, let me see, 10, 12, 14. Bag 2, 7, bag 1, bag 2, and we have bag 4, bag 3, bag 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, wheel bag, chassis. So there you have all your parts laid out, starting with bag 1 all the way to bag 14. On bag 14 here. And like we said in the instruction manual, it tells you where to start. Front top plate, steering build, bag 1, step 1. All those parts. And bag 1, step 1. Can't get any easier or simpler than that, I guess. And the good thing about building a car in a kit like this is once you build it like this, you know where all the parts go, how to tweak it if something breaks, how to fix it, where it's broken, where the parts go, all that good stuff. So as you're building and having fun, you're learning and you're not even aware of it. So this is your kit, and next time you see it, it shall be in chassis form. So there you have it. You've got the Team Associated DR10 drag kit, 110 scale. And where did I get this? I got this from my local hobby shop. I went and saw my guy Ray at NWA RC Raceway. He's our local hobby shop here in Northwest Arkansas. I'll leave a link in the description to his Facebook page and whatnot, where you can find him if you're in the area. This is the place you got to stop and get this stuff. Always go support your local hobby shops, guys. I know it's always convenient to get things online, but you got to keep the brick and mortars going. Keep your local guys alive. All right. Well, that's it for this video. It's Jeff C. signing out with another new addition to the garage, and 3 firsts for the garage. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, comments down below. Let me hear what your drag build is. Let me see. I'm curious to know if you guys have a DR10, what you guys put in it for wheels and the tires and electronics and all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. If you like the content, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, come back for more. Tell your friends. That's Jeff C. signing out. God bless. Keep the hobby alive. Peace.